Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chapter 2 Kufranu Ad. Kufranu Ad. Ingratitude of Ad. Ingratitude of Ad. Ingratitude Ingratitude. Ingratitude of Ad. ولكن عادا لم يشكروا الله على هذه النعم الكثيرة. ولكن but عاد لم يشكر الله did not thank Allah. Shakara yashkuru means to thank someone. Lam yashkur did not thank. When lam will come before muzare, the meaning of muzare will be only for mazi, only for past. ولكن عادا but عاد لم يشكر الله did not thank Allah على هذه النعم الكثيرة on هذه النعم these blessings al-kasira many these many blessings है ना these many why we are saying these hazihi because an-ni'am plural al-kasira it is sifat of ni'am so on these many blessings ونسيت نون سين يا تا ونسيت عاد and عاد it means nation of Ad nation it is name of that nation and Ad forgot nasiya yansa means nisyanan it means to forget here past nasiyat and Ad forgot qissat tufan story of tufan story of flood है ना किस्सा मीन्स स्टोरी allati sami'uha min abaihim which they heard it min abaihim from their fathers wara'aw asarahu fil arz and they saw which what they saw already they saw है ना wara'aw and they saw asarahu and they saw asarahu Asar means we can say asarun singular, asa is plural. It means traces, traces, traces. Yeah, effects also we can say marks, marks, marks. Yeah, vestige also, vestige, vestige. Warau and they saw its traces, yeah, its vestige fil earth on the earth. Fi means in, but we can say on the earth. ونسوا لماذا أرسل الله الطوفان على أمة نوح ونسوا نسيا نسوا أنا plural ونسوا and they forgot why أرسل الله Allah sent أرسل يرسل إرسالا means to send why Allah sent الطوفان the flood على أمة نوح on the nation of Nuh وَصَارُوا يَعْبُدُونَ الْأَصْنَامِ Saru ya'buduna and they started worshipping. Yeah, they began to worship. They began to worship al-asnam, the idols. The idols. Kama kanat ummatu Nuh. Kama as yeah, like nation of Nuh. Like nation of Nuh. Yeah, as kama as kanat ummatu Nuh. Kanat ummatu Nuh. There was a ummatu Nuh, nation of Nuh. As nation of Nuh, it's enough. As nation of Nuh. Ta'budul asnama, worship asnama, idols. है ना? What is here before this sentence? Kanat ummatu Nuh. So ummat is subject of ta'budu. Kanat ummatu Nuh. Kama kanat ummatu Nuh. Ta'budul asnama. Kama as nation of Nuh was worshipping the idols. This is the sentence here in next page. As yeah, like nation of Nuh was Kanat was Ta'budul Asnam worshipping the idols as the nation of Nuh was worshipping the idols. So they also started. Ad Wakanu ينحتون الأصنام وكانوا and they were ينحتون نحت ينحت نحت ينحت means chisel CHISEL to chisel or we can say also sculpture 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 وكانوا ينحتون and they were sculpturing الأصنام the idols من الحجارة from the stone بأيديهم with their hands. Who? The nation of Hud. It means Ad. This nation name was Ad. ثم يسجدون لها. They were what? ينحتون. No. They were sculpturing, and after that they were making, it means they were making the idols with the stone من الحجارة, with the stone, yeah, from the stone بأيديهم, with their hands only. They don't need any kind of any other thing, any machine or anything. Only with hand they can make from the stone. Okay. ثم يسجدون لها, and then ثم means then يسجدون, they worshipping, no, prostrating to prostrate. Sajada yasjudu means to prostrate, prostrating it, وَيَعْبُدُونَهَا, and they worshipping it. Yeah, prostrating for it. Laha, for it. Prostrating for it. وَيَعْبُدُونَهَا, and they worshipping it. وَكَانُوا يَسْأَلُونَهَا حَاجَاتِهِمْ وَكَانُوا يَسْأَلُونَهَا, and they were asking it. حَاجَاتِهِمْ, their needs. وَيَدْعُونَهَا, and they were calling it. It means idols, asnam. وَيَذْبَحُونَ لَهَا, and they were sacrificing for it. Sacrificing for it. Yeah, they were slaughtering, to slaughter also. Yeah, sacrificing only for it. Wakanu, it means for the asnam, for the idols. Wakanu ala asari ummati Nuhin, and they were on the asar, on the asarun means marks, on the mark of Nuh, nation Nuh, ummati Nuh, on the mark of nation of Nuh. Yeah, Nuh nation. Asarun mark ummatun nation. وكانت عقولهم لا تمنعهم من عبادة الأصنام. وكانت عقولهم, and their mind لا تمنعهم, their minds, عقل عقول plural, their minds لا تمنعهم, do not prevent. منع يمنع means to prevent. Do not prevent them. Whom means them. Their minds, yeah, yes, their thoughts, their mind, do not prevent them min ibadatil asnam, from worshipping of the idols. وكانت عقولهم لا تهديهم, and عقولهم, their minds, أنا عقل عقول, their minds, لا تهديهم, do not guide them, do not guide them. hala yahdi means to guide, especially to guide, guide to straight path, straight way, है ना. So their mind do not guide them. وكانوا عقلاء في الدنيا أغبياء في الدين. وكانوا, and they were عقلاء, they were intelligent, they were intelligent في الدنيا, in the world. أغبياء في الدين, and they were أغبياء, fools, they were fools في الدين, in the hereafter, in the hereafter. So this is chapter 2, we have finished. So I request to all of you, please like, share, and comments. Whatever you need, I will make sure your needs. Jazakallah khairan.